Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. In today's video we are going to discuss about how to repair building foundation. Underpinning process. What is underpinning? The process of providing a new foundation below an existing foundation or strengthening an existing foundation is called underpinning of foundations. Underpinning is a process of strengthening the foundation of an existing structure that could be a building or any other type of structure. This is a good technique that is used in the construction and after the construction to improve the foundation. Generally, the improvement of the existing foundation and the ground condition is done to carry more load is done. This is one method that can be used for foundation improvements. Underpinning is a technique that needs to be done with much care and careful supervision of the work. Incorrect approach, procedures, methods, etc. could lead to failures of the structure. This is mostly done for the existing structure. There could be a failure in the structure, severe damage to the structure, etc. if not attended correctly. Purpose of underpinning. Underpinning may be done for the various purposes, such as to strengthen the shallow foundation of existing building, when a building with deep foundation is to be constructed adjoining it. To strengthen the existing foundation, which has settled and resulted in serious cracks in the wall. To provide a basement to an existing building. To deepen the existing foundation, so as to rest them on the soil higher bearing power. Methods of underpinning. The various methods of underpinning are as follows. Pit method, pile method, pit method. In this method, the entire length of the existing wall is divided into suitable sections of 1.20 to 1.50 m. length. One section is excavated at a time. For each section, a hole is made in the wall, above the plinth level. The needle made from timber or steel section is then inserted through the hole and supported on jacks on both the sides of the wall, as shown in figure. The pit is excavated and the existing foundation is taken up to the desired level and new foundation is laid. The alternate sections are taken up in first round and then the remaining sections are strengthened as shown in figure. If the wall to be underpinned is weak, the raking shores are also provided. If the space to support needles on outside is not available, the cantilever needles. Pile method. In this method, the piles are driven at suitable intervals on both sides of the existing wall. The needles in the form of pile caps are then provided through the wall, as shown in figure below. Thus, the existing wall is relieved of the loads coming on it. This method is useful for waterlogged areas and for walls carrying heavy loads. For underpinning very light structures, the piles are driven on both the sides of the structure and the brackets or cantilever needles are provided to carry the structure. Thanks for watching. For now, please subscribe, like, share and do not forget to press bell icon.